Hodgetwins. Trying that the last China's day. Yeah. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification button. And without further ado, let's get to this video. But first, time to get my serious face on. Yeah. Let's get it. Wakanda forever. Yeah.
Shit good, ain't it, Lord Keith? Hey, fellas. You know what you should take away from this video? How to go down on your girlfriend? Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. No, man! Oh, man. He's a hot. Hey, I got some more water in here. Now, why you gotta go and do some homosexual stuff? It's good though. Yeah, see, you gotta stroke your shake first, man. Get that thickness out. Just like that, man. Yeah, you gotta stroke that motherfucker. Hey, look at that. Yeah, go a little bit faster, man. Yeah, a little faster, man. Yeah, man. Think I got some pre-cum going. Look at all that damn pre-cum came out. Look at all that damn pre-cum. Y'all see that damn pre-cum? See it leaking, all that damn pre-cum? Yeah, pre-cum. Y'all see that damn pre-cum. Look at that shit. Look at all that damn, you see it? All that damn pre-cum. Over here, oh, man, look at all that damn pre-cum you got going.
Oh, man, bro. Bro, I wasn't ready. Man, I gotta restart it. I gotta restart it, bro.
Twisted light. Hey, black motherfucker. Hey, the fries suck, but the milkshake's pretty good, man. Let me get some of this pre-cum off. Hey, man, come on, man. Lick up all that pre-cum. God damn. Girls get pre-cum, man. Oh, yeah, girls do have pre-cum. What, you think I'm in here licking pre-cums off of dicks? Get it close up and personal, man. Get it close up and personal. Man, you getting too close. Look at that. Look at that. Go and stick it in your mouth. There you go. Take it in your mouth. I like the brisket better. I do too, man. Steak ain't bad, though. Hey, give me a nap. This stuff is squirting all over me. It's ejaculating all over you. Shut up! Gotta send out some packages, man. You know, dropping rice all over the place, man. Get out of my crotch. You drop. You know what that look like? That symbolizes, Kim, shut the hell up. What? Gotta make everything sexual, man. These steak and shrimp burritos? Steak and shrimp burritos with some beans and rice. Look at the girth on that bitch. Yeah, look at it. Pull back the foreskin on it. God damn. Can't see it, man, but got something new. Got something new, man. Salmon bowl. I told him no foreskin on my bowls. Yeah. I don't want no skin on my salmon, man. I want it circumcised. Hey, y'all trying to make some gains in the gym. You gotta get your proteins, your carbs, your fats. You gotta get your macros. Man, stop hogging it, man. Let me do some talking. Man. Hey, I'm fitting to circumcise my burrito. Roll that skin back. I got the vanilla chocolate twist. Hey man, it's dripping. Oh, let me lick it before it drips off. You got some pre-ice cream going. You got some pre-cream, some pre. Shut up! I can't continue to drink. I'm gonna pop some goddamn vessel on my head. Chocolate action at the bottom, see it? All that black fudge or whatever, the chocolate action. Gotta get some more pre-cum in that bitch. Yeah. Yeah, look at that pre-cum coming up. Hey. All that damn pre-cum. All that damn pre-cum. You wheezing, bitch? You did this, right? I said all that pre-cum. That's some good dew right there, man.
Run up to one of them, man. It's flower.
No, man. Mother Nature out there. I mean, hear the birds, the cars. What the hell wrong with that damn bird, man? Sound like he's choking or something. You hear him? Something wrong with it.
Maybe he's having sex.
You think?
He's about to bust.
Well, birds having anal sex. Do birds got ass? Oh, yeah, they do. They got assholes, don't they? Wait a minute. You know what Caro means, right? Means hitman. I knew that. Wipe your face. Got all that green stuff all over your mouth like you sucked off a gonorrhea infested whore or something. Shut the hell up.
That's true.
Could always get another one. Don't mean nothing. You are a sloppy eater, man.
Yeah.
You got all that gonorrhea on the side of your mouth.
Man, shut up. Give me a napkin.
Don't nobody want to look all that. Give me a napkin. The didn't give us none. Little one. I think it's from yesterday.
Oh, man, bro.
Them little nice. I love this, man. Got them chunks of aloe vera in it. It's soothing. Makes you feel at peace when you're drinking it. It tastes like little orgasms in there. Little orgasms in there. Packaging is professional. Yeah, man. Look like a condom wrapper. Man, you see? Yeah, it is professional. There you go, man. That's too hot to be eating these hot sandwiches down, man. Hey, man, they bukkake it. Hey, Kevin, man, come on, man. It's for little kids over here. Yeah.
Hey, man, you need some airtime, too.
Yeah, y'all getting all the damn airtime.
Yeah,
Hey, man, they ain't put no cheese on mine, man, but he put 10 gallons of semen on it.
Honestly, they did put a lot of mayo.
Now, that's tartar sauce. Just a little bit of tartar sauce, man. You ain't got to put the whole damn bottle on that. Damn, man, I wanted a fish sandwich, not a damn bukkake sandwich. Wow, they put enough mayo on it. Where's the napkin, man? Why you need a napkin, man? Man, that's mayo dripping all out. Yeah, they bukkake the hell out of that. Make yourself useful. I'm gonna post some of this water. Why don't you open the door so you ain't gotta dump it over? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let me go ahead and post some of this water. There you go. Hold up, man. The noodles coming out, man. You need something to hold the... No, man. I'm gonna put the lid back on now. There you go.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
There you go. So the noodles won't fall out. Yeah, just make sure that water don't come out crazy and burn you. Yeah, water coming out, man. You hear it? Sound like somebody pissing over here. Man, you hear that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
In-N-Out do got some tasty burgers, man, I'm telling you. I told them well done because sometimes I go down, man, I be driving, start eating the burger, man. Got all that vagina action. Yeah, all that pink action in there. Like all that damn vagina action when I'm eating my burger. Yeah, man. All that pink action. All that butthole action. Man, shut up, man. Do that shit right, man. Well, hold on. Let me swallow shit my damn motherfucker. So, hurry the fuck up, man. This damn video gonna be like 30 minutes long. You got all that damn fucking Sonic semen all over your shirt, man. Hey, man, stop. Have some respect for yourself. Yeah, man, stop bringing up semen weed. Well, it look like you someone busted a nut on your fucking t-shirt. Man, god damn. Wipe your mouth off, man. You look disgusting. I'm trying to make this damn video a triple X rated. A triple X gay video. What? Gay.
Man, come shut up, man.
What you talking about, man?
What you talking about?
You don't get all the white stuff on your face?
Hey, Kevin.
You ain't
Shut
gonna
up.
get that from going down on a female. You gonna get it from sucking some dude off.
Man, you crazy as hell.
Shut up! I'm just
Trying to
saying,
eat,
man.
man.
It's a joke, man.
Crazy as hell.
Oh, man, that's a horrible.
No homo. Gay joke, man. I don't want to go there, man. Like a goddamn black bear come out them woods and smack all the fucking skin off your face. Man, wipe all that damn semen off your damn lips, man. What the? Wipe your damn. Have some respect. Look at yourself. Look, you just been sucking bulls. All right, come. Goddamn. Take it easy.
Oh shit. Oh. I can't breathe. Oh shit. Oh man. That one more pill. Oh boy. Man, that was some funny video right there, boy. Even though I lost, but man. Damn it. But anyway. Okay. All right, I'm done. Oh, that's it video, you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also add me on Snapchat, Scrap96. I see you guys in the next video. You guys be safe out there, and God bless y'all.